What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Red Monroe. You feel me? About to kick this little freestyle to y'all. You know, something for y'all to talk about for my haters and for the people who just want to stay tuned to a pretty bitch. You feel me? So, if you have comments or you like what you hear, you know, get at me. Alright, let's get this shit started. We gonna doing this Addiction beat by Ryan Leslie. You know, I thought that beat was out the chain. It was like the highlight of last year. So, I'm about to kill this shit real quick. Let's get this right. Miss Red Monroe and this shit, y'all. Pretty bitch, you know. Get at me. I'ma skip this shit to y'all like this. Ain't no one better, you feel me, Miss Green Eyes? All my verses got an aim and they straight at your dome. See, I walk in like a model, get your girl to come home. Hoes checking me like AB fits. The apple bottom ain't shit unless you thick at the tits. Bad bitches stay full of that expensive shit. Your chick wants to like me. Attitude real stank, now she wanna fight me. I don't really care cause I say what I like you. Just like Tip Chick, get what you like you. I'm not a Barbie doll and I never play nice. See my hair all real, 100% right. Bird, yep, cold like ice. I don't claim to be the greatest. My flow just nice. So you hating assholes, come and take a bite. Poison was the apple, you hoes Snow White. Monroe got the flavor, badass red bone behavior. So bitch just save her. Full course meal, bitch get your weight up. Flow straight stupid, be straight stupid. I gotta be stupid. Question mark ass niggas need to get a clue quick. You stepping to me on that Mr. Me Too shit. I step on out, and my fit really exclusive. Your shit on the sales rack, city trends how you do this. So follow me, not a 5-star chick, y'all ain't heard of me. See, I be on that high status, nigga. You can find me where the birds be. I be where the birds be. You see where the birds be. I be where the birds be. Yo, this Red Monroe, reppin' Atlanta, GA. Get at me.